In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Erank for Etsy. We'll walk through finding Erank, connecting your shop, researching keywords, analyzing listings and competitors, and using the browser extension so you can make smarter, data-backed decisions for your Etsy business. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Erank. Click the official result to head to the site, then log into your account. Once you're in, go to your account settings. Look for the Connect Your Shop button and grant Erank permission to read your Etsy shop's data. This access is read-only, which means Erank can analyze your listings but cannot make any changes on your behalf. It's a safe way to see where you stand and what to improve. Next, open a new tab and search for Etsy. Click the top result and sign in to your shop account. Keeping Etsy open while you work in Erank helps the tools stay aligned with your current shop data. Now, return to Erank and open the Keyword tool. Type in a keyword related to your product, something your ideal customer might type into Etsy. Erank will show average monthly searches, the level of competition, and pricing insights for similar items. Use this to gauge demand and difficulty. Generally, you're looking for strong search volume with competition you can realistically stand out in, and pricing that fits your costs and margins. On the Keyword Tool Results page, explore the Top Listings tab. This shows you what successful listings for that keyword are doing. Pay attention to how they write titles, which tags they use, and the prices they set. Look for patterns and strategies that make sense for your brand. The goal is not to copy, but to understand what resonates with shoppers. Head to the Trends tool to see what's popular right now, with views by day, week, and month. Then check Monthly Trends to review the top 100 keywords in any Etsy category across the past 15 months. This is especially helpful for spotting seasonality, so you can plan inventory, photos, and promotions ahead of demand spikes. Once your shop is connected, use listing audits to analyze individual listings. This helps you identify opportunities to improve discoverability and relevance based on Erank's checks. You can also add shops to your competitor sales list to track their performance over time. Compare their trends with your own to spot timing, pricing, or niche patterns. Finally, download the free Erank browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. While you browse Etsy, it overlays keyword trends, competitor stats, and estimated sales directly on the page, saving you time and keeping insights at your fingertips.